Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next pair of shoes from NORTIV to go ahead and kind of show you all the cool features, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Check out these things. These are waterproof hiking boots. So you wouldn't know it, they kind of look like basketball tennis shoes. They are light enough to be shoes, but they're actually meant to be hiking. They are waterproof again. They do have kind of a covering on the outside. You can see that smooth covering here. They have a little toe tap as well. You can see the treads. They do have good treads for hiking. That is all rubberized there. That's non-slip. You can see these are the black version. The black version has the gray with the black. It looks really striking. It really does look like a good street ball shoe. I've worn them around the house a little bit, and they've been pretty comfortable. I was actually kind of surprised. One thing I really kind of surprised me was the ankle support. I do have weak ankles, but this support, because you have these hooks all the way up to here, you are able to wrap them around and get it nice and tight. And I had some really good support on my ankle, which is what I typically need in a tennis shoe. But it just looks really great. There's a little tag in the back. And what about comfort? Well, it is very comfortable. As I said, the comfort padding here is all around the side. The tongue is padded. The actual heel has some extra padding on it. The whole thing just feels really good. Make sure you get the right sizing, but if you do, man, these things feel good. They are a lightweight shoe as well. It's not a heavy hiking boot. It's not steel-toed or anything. It's something that you're going to use to travel, to walk, to move. I really like these. They do come in different colors, and some of the other colors kind of caught my eye. I like the black and the gray, but some of the other colors, like, wow, all right, maybe I'll give it a shot. They look just really nice. You can see the detailing there. Again, in this case, the laces are just all straight black, but they're just good-looking shoes overall. They are kind of a lightweight, kind of a tennis shoe, kind of a light hiking, but they are waterproof. They are meant for kind of traveling. They're meant to be used. I've had some other NORTIV 8 shoes, and they have lasted a while. So, yeah, these are actually really good shoes. I'm looking forward to wearing them more.